2 meters big. It's an activity, but it's more of a learning.
What to do for a burn? Begin with a temperature of 15 to 20 degrees. See the rainbow.
I'm sure I can have it. Really? I had one in my hand. This fire starter. Did it burn up? You must grind it forcefully from black to silver, then repeat the process. Quickly lower the paper towels to red and brown. Millet flowers, we will find that all the check-in points on the car are finished. We did not let go, we continue to walk, and then find a lot of children. Will you have a good result if you go hard? Not necessarily, not necessarily, not necessarily. You seem to work hard, or I will do one thing, not necessarily a good result. There is a perfect ending, but you have forced him. Will there be a good result when you don't do it? It will definitely not.